Now moving towards the third method, that is by using the zip and the list slicing. First we are initializing our list. After that, for calculating the difference, we are using a for loop, that is for I comma g in the zip list win 0 to the colon and to the list win, that is 1 to the colon. What this will do is it will take the zip from the list 1 of the 0 0, that is from the whole list from the 0th index up to the last index of our list, and the second, which is from the first to the last index of it. So what it will do is we are zipping those values, and after that we are subtracting them with which is j minus 1 from the list 1 from the one index up to the last index, that is from the second parameter which we have passed minus to the first parameter which we have passed over here, and we are storing those values in the list 2 and we are having them as an output.